Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, today I'm talking about Weight Watchers and the point system. So you have a couple of different ways that you can manage or record your points. For those of you who may be new to Weight Watchers or thinking about Weight Watchers, there are many categories that have 0 points. That would include some of your vegetables, some of your fruits, some of your meats actually have 0 points. So does that mean you can eat as much as you want? No, you still need to eat it within moderation. So an egg, for example, at the time of this recording is 0 points. So that wouldn't mean you would sit and eat a dozen of eggs. You would normally have 1 or 2. But the question I'm asking today is, do you need to record on your app or whatever method you're recording your 0 point foods? So I have decided that I'm not going to record my 0 point foods. I'm going to be aware of what I'm putting in my mouth and how much of it. So I wouldn't normally sit down and eat 6 eggs. Now that I know it's 0 under Weight Watchers, I'm not going to eat 6. I normally eat 1 or 2 because you still want to think about, cholesterol and other things like that, So I'm not a dietitian, so I'm not going to get into the benefits of eating eggs or any of that. But I'm just saying you want to do all things in moderation. So if you want a little bit, extra of some grapes or something like that, that's 0 points. So have them. It ain't gonna kill you. Ain't nobody died from eating grapes. Now, Snicker bar is a little bit different. That has points associated with it, right? So you wouldn't want to eat 10 Snicker bars unless you're gonna put that in your point system. And I'm sure you're gonna use all your points if you try to eat 10 Snicker bars. But as far as myself, though, I'm not going to be recording my 0 point foods. I am going to record my other foods. So anything else that has points associated with it, like if I have rice, if I had fried chicken, or because on Weight Watchers you can eat just about anything you want as long as you account for it within your point system. So that's what I will be doing. I'll just be recording the things that actually have points because I like to keep things simple. I believe the simpler something is, the more likely you are to stick with it, and myself too. If I got to think about it too much, I ain't gonna do it. Because I think you may have watched, I hope. If not, go back and watch my video about structure. I'm not the most structured person. I don't like a lot of structure. I don't like a lot of commitment. So that frightens me if I think I have to write down every single thing that I put in my mouth. And Weight Watchers has made it so simple in the fact that I don't have to worry about certain things. They know most people ain't gonna OD on salad, or most people aren't gonna overeat a bowl of salad or a bowl of broccoli. That's not the problem. So they took that stress away from us, right? So I love that point. So actually, like I said, for myself, I will be writing down only the things that actually have a point associated with it, so I can keep up with it. So tell me, if you do Weight Watchers, do you write down everything, or do you only write down things associated with has a point associated with it? What do you do? I'm just curious. It may help other people in our group to decide which method they would like to do. And again, for me, I want to keep things as simple as possible, even on my healthy journey. And that means if I don't have to write down every single thing, the simpler the better. Let's keep it simple. Well, until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmi. Bye.